Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up SEO in Wix. First, navigate to your Wix dashboard and locate the Marketing and SEO section. Here, you'll find the Wix SEO Whiz, a powerful tool designed to walk you through the essential steps. It helps you define your site's purpose and target audience, creating a personalized plan. Following these initial prompts is crucial for establishing a strong foundation for your website's visibility in search results. Next, focus on keyword research to understand what terms your audience uses. Wix provides tools to help you find these valuable keywords. Once you have your keywords, integrate them naturally into your content and optimize your site structure. Ensure your navigation is intuitive and logical. Also, write unique and descriptive page titles and meta descriptions for every page. These snippets are what people see in search results and significantly impact click-through rates. Now, let's dive into on-page optimization. Always add descriptive alt text to your images. This helps search engines understand your visuals and improves accessibility. Focus on creating valuable, original content that genuinely helps or entertains your audience. High-quality content is key to attracting and retaining visitors. Additionally, strategically use internal links to connect related pages on your site and external links to reputable sources, boosting your site's credibility. Finally, monitoring your SEO performance is vital for continuous improvement. Regularly check your Wix analytics and connect your site to Google Search Console to gain insights into how your pages are performing in search results. Make sure to submit your sitemap to search engines. This helps them discover and index all your important pages efficiently. Consistent effort in these areas will lead to better visibility over time. And for a smart home upgrade, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.